Hi guys, in today's video I would like to show you how you can share your TikTok videos to Facebook without link. You open your TikTok app and then you go to your profile here, click on the video you like to share. Once you click on it, you see three notification buttons down below. You click on the buttons here, then it gives you sharing options. You can share to your Facebook, you can share to your Instagram, you can even share to your WhatsApp, or you can copy the link and share with anybody. You can also scroll here, you can share it to your WhatsApp status or to your Telegram or anywhere you like to show it. In this video I'm trying to show you how you can share it to your Facebook. So you click on share to Facebook here like this. It will now take you from here to your Facebook profile. From here you can share the video, add your caption and share it to your audience on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you.